Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to tell you how to create classes in Java programming language. So I'm using IDE as Eclipse. You can use any IDE. So सबसे पहले what we need is we need to create a project over here, and then in that project we will be having different classes. So let's get started. First of all, you can see that here it is file. So what we need to do is just click on this file, and then you can see there is a option called new. Click on that new, and after that these are the options open for me, and I have to select Java project. After clicking Java project, you will be getting a pop-up like this. So here you have to write the name. I'm just writing the name as Java only. And now after that, what you need to do is you need to click on finish. And that's how we will see that our project will be there in the project list, and you can see over here. It is here. Now we are ready with the project, and here we have to create the classes. So click on this Java project. Here you can see the src folder. This is source. Just right click on this and you will be getting options like this. And again you have to click on new, and then the options are there. But here out of these options we have to select class. And now you have to give the class name. So here you have to give the class name. So this is my first Java class. So I'm just writing first Java class. Now one more thing I want to tell over here is if you will be writing the name like this with the spaces, so it won't take it because it will say type name is not valid because this space is not allowed over here. All right, so what we need to do is we need to give the name like this without spaces. But as you can see that I have used three words over here. First Java and class, so I have written the first name as capital. So spaces are not allowed. Keep this in mind. And then we have to click on public static void main. So because I want the main function, right? So I have clicked on this, and now if I will click on finish, so I will see that my class will be ready along with the main function, and that is something we call it as boilerplate. I will put the link in the description box for boilerplate explanation. And here it is. So you have to click on finish, and that's it. See, your first class is over here, and here you can see your class is ready actually. Now here you can see that whatever name I have written in that declaration of the name, so you can see that name over here, first Java class. And now you can do anything over here. I'm just deleting this, and here I will be just writing system.out.println and hello everyone. So if you will click on run button, then you will see your output at the bottom on the console. Hello everyone. So yeah, that's it. This is how we can create the classes in Java. And again, if you want to have more classes, you just click over here and you can write the name of the class, and then you will see all the classes over here. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.